Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just thought it'd be a quick update time for you on the begonias, show you how they're doing. So 1 month on from setting out, so we are into middle of June, and yeah, they're doing alright. So let me show you. Right, so hopefully, as you remember, I started these back in April, 16th of April I think it was, so pretty late, and it was well, a bit of a last minute decision to actually buy the corms from work, but yeah, so started it late, and these are the ones that are derived from corms as opposed to the normal basket type ones that you get. So this is an upright version, and I just planted the 3 per pot, and that is pot number 1. So you can see it's got bud development there. What I've been doing is obviously just watering around the actual corms themselves. You can see the corms are elevated above the soil, and I've just been well, what I did initially was I thinned out some of the spindly shoots that were forming from the corm, so just sort of restricted it to a maximum of 3 per corm, just to get some good solid plant growth. Now, so you can see there, you know, they're all restricted, although now they are starting to try and shoot a little bit more. As I think I might have said with begonias, you don't need to water them as much as you think you do, or people think they do, because it has these nice fleshy leaves, fleshy stems, which actually holds the water in. Anyway, that's the one I'm waiting to flower. This is the one that's in flower. Look at there. So massive flowers, and that's how they should look. And yeah, you get a bigger flower by limiting the amount of stem that's produced, obviously by feeding a lot. In this case, when I say feeding a lot, I've literally done a dose a month with pelleted chicken, or chicken pellets, so not excessive, but yeah, they don't need anything more than that. So yeah, that's the update, and there you can see there's plenty more bud forming on the others, or plenty of bud forming on the others there. So just probably be a matter of a week, and then these will be laden with flower. But anyway, that's it, job done. So I hope you liked the video. As I say, it was just a quick update for you, just to show you progression, or final stage of progression, and how to get results. But yeah, any questions, just send them over to me and I'll give you a response. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, obviously it doesn't need to be said, but get out there, have some fun, enjoy your garden, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.